Hi guys, and welcome to my channel and welcome to another brand new video. So in this video I'll be telling that what is the curriculum of VIT, and I think ये probably same होगा for all the VIT, but it's specifically for VIT Bhopal. So you guys were commenting on my previous videos related to VIT कि what is the curriculum and etc. and मैंने poll भी किया था. So in this video I'll be clearing all your doubts related to curriculum and academics for semester 1 and 2, that is basically your first year of engineering, and what are the things you need to get done before coming to VIT, and what are the things you should know about the curriculum before coming to VIT. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So I have specifically designed this video for three mainstream branches of CSE. The first is CSE Core, the second is CSE AIML, third is CSE Cyber Security and Digital Forensic, and fourth is Cloud Computing. I think I said earlier three mainstream branches, but it's four. Actually, I have noted everything on this copy, so I'll tell you accordingly. Before actually starting it, I want you to know कि ये curriculum हमेशा change होता रहता है. Whatever I am telling you, it was for 2025 batch. So you guys are from 26 batch, right? So maybe academically subjects थोड़े से change हो जाएं, but the gist will of course remain the same. So let's start it with CSE Core. So in your first semester of CSE Core, you guys will study a subject called Computational Physics, which is mostly like physics, of course. Then EEE, that is Electrical Circuits and System. Then English, it's professional communication for engineers or something, but it's basically English. Then your calculus, maths ka calculus wala part, and your Python essentials. So these are the subjects you will study in your first sem for CSE Core. And for Python essentials, you will have a website called Vidyarthi, जहाँ पे you will be आपको Python का course मिलेगा, and you have to complete this course within a certain timeline, and उसके बाद you have to generate the certificate which will count in your internals. Okay, so that's something you need to know for Python and for AIML. Then for Sem 2 of CSE Core, you will have transforms in maths, you will have computational chemistry, it is again like chemistry. Then you will have AIML, right? For AIML also you will have to do that Vidyarthi course, and you have to generate the certificate. Your English, which will be advanced technical communication, I guess. So that's all for first year of CSE Core. Then for CSE AIML, right, which is my branch. So in my first year I studied EEE, then calculus, Python, English, computational chemistry, and yeah, that's it. And for my second semester, which I'm studying, is English again, advanced technical. There's no maths in here. I'm studying AIML, then computational physics and environmental sustainability, that is EVS. Then for cloud computing, in your first semester you will study computational chemistry, calculus, AIML, Python, and your environmental sustainability, and English, of course. Then in your second semester you will study C++, EEE again, computational physics, transforms, and English. In cyber, for your first semester you will study computational physics, AIML, Python, English, and calculus, and forensic chemistry. And in your second semester you will study digital literacy, which is a online course, उसकी classes नहीं लगती, so don't stress on that. In maths you'll study discrete, EEE, digital logic, and principles of digital forensic. So yeah, these are the subjects जो कि आप पढ़ोगे. And after hearing to all these subjects, moreover you might have understood कि सारे branches को सारा ही subjects पढ़ाते हैं. It's just that the hierarchy of subjects being in different semesters are different. So that's it. And now coming to the second part of the video, that do you need to study these subjects or topics or whatever. So no, you don't have to study anything related to academics before coming to college. You will have sufficient time and resources here to study. So what professors will do, they'll provide you 5 different modules, and in a semester there will be 5 modules for you to study. Your professor will provide those 5 modules to you. From that module itself, they'll ask the questions in exams, in your mid-sem and in your end term. So you don't have to prepare it from any book or from anywhere else. Just have to read those modules properly and you'll good to go. So you don't need to prepare anything prior. Moreover, what are the soft skills that you can learn before coming to college? Maybe that is your communication skills, your English skills. I mean, I know you guys are good at it, but again, communication is something which you can practice, and which, I mean, you can't practice, you can only try to speak. If something is going wrong or something is problematic, you should have the ability and guts to say no, and you should have the ability and guts to cut off people, because you know this is very essential and this is important, and this is something which is less talked about. So I just thought of telling these things in my video. बाकी तो सब आपको दूसरे videos में मिल जाता है, but I think these are the most essential things which you should need to know. You should have a practice to it, क्योंकि these are the things which will, you know, actually be beneficial for you. So yeah, that's it for my video. I know this was pretty short, but I know that I have covered all the informations in this video. I have literally noted everything so that I don't waste your seconds. If you are watching this video till now, just make sure you comment something good on this. Make sure you like, you subscribe, because you know, all through your journey from your 12th boards to VIT, I'm, you know, quite helping you all. So make sure you just subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.